Let's now go to goiter, thyroid problems. Let's discuss liver qi stagnation, spleen qi deficiency, and phlegm. The clinical manifestations are large, soft goiter, depression, irritability, feeling of oppression of the chest, and hypochondrium, difficulty in swallowing, feeling of a lump in the throat, loose stools, tiredness, desire to lie down, poor digestion, irregular periods, and premenstrual tension. The tongue will be pale with possibly slightly red sides and swollen. Pulse is wiry, weak on the right, and slippery. The treatment principles: soothe the liver, move qi, tonify spleen qi, resolve phlegm, and soften masses. For distal points, we use triple burner 6, gallbladder 34, liver 3, pericardium 6, ren 12, bladder 20, stomach 36. Even method on all points except ren 12 and bladder 20, which should be needled with reinforcing method. For local points, we use ren 12, stomach 9, and spleen 10. Also even method. We also use triple burner 6, gallbladder 34, liver 3, pericardium 6 to move liver qi. Ren 12, bladder 20, and stomach 36 to tonify the spleen and resolve phlegm. Thank you for your attention.